shake, shake. 1, 2, shake. Stand up. You get 4 counts to stand up. Punch right and then punch left. Bring your right leg up. 2, 3, go. Right, right and left, left. Got it? Now let's jump. 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. You get it?
Yes.
Alright, now let's go. The water part. Turn. 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, bend back. 4, 5, keep your fingers away. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now go down, dip in. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which hand is Ananya? 5, 6, 7, 8. Play with the water again. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go pull. 5, 6, 7. What is that?
8.
Pull. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, the next thing I want you to learn. It just sounds hard, but it is not. Watch. You just open and you slide. Doesn't matter what you're doing. Alright, now, watch. I'm going to now go back and stretch the other leg. Sit down the leg. Out, eh? 5 minutes out. Let's go. Then you go. Be quiet. Let's go. Open.
That is just weird.
Go back. Close.
Did you ask your mom?
Open. Stretch your leg.
No, I
Open. Go back. Leg. Neha. Priya, stretch your other leg. Sit on that other leg. Now, let's go. Open. Close. Open.
No, I don't need you.
Alright, so that's good. Alright, that's good. Thank you. Alright, we'll just be doing this together.